Someone just dropped $3.4 billion on put options in QQQ. That's not a typo. 41,851 contracts at the 747.76 strike, set to expire July 6, volume to open interest ratio on this sweep is 9.1 to 1. Institutional. Unhedged. Directed. Here's what makes this unusual. QQQ is trading at 724.08 this morning, up roughly 2.5% from yesterday. So while the market's ripping higher, someone is loading up on downside protection 3.3% above current price. This is classic institutional flow. They don't chase momentum, they position into it. But QQQ isn't the only name seeing action this morning. AMD had a massive call sweep just hit the tape. 28,199 contracts at the 565.95 strike, July 8 expiration. Total premium on this trade is $2.36 billion. Volume to open interest ratio is 11 to 1. This is institutional accumulation in semiconductors. SPY is also showing institutional bid activity. 10,693 call contracts at the 775.58 strike, July 5 expiration. That's just under $1.1 billion in premium with a 9.5 times ratio. They're buying upside exposure in the broad market, another bullish signal that's running alongside the QQQ bearish hedge. Now here's the trade setup. On QQQ, watch the 730 level. If price breaks and holds above 730 this morning, that put sweep at 747 expires worthless, the bears get squeezed. But if QQQ fails at 730 and drops back towards 720, that hedge was placed with intent. Entry for a bearish scalp, 724 with a stop at 730. First target 717, second target 710. For AMD, the call sweep at 565 tells us institutions expect a run past 550. If AMD holds above 534, look for entries with a target toward 545. Stop at 530. The semiconductor narrative is still strong, AMD has room to run. For SPY, the call flow at 775 suggests institutions are targeting a rally towards 750. Entry zone at 738 to 741. Stop at 734. First target 745, second target 750. What could invalidate this setup? If QQQ gyrates and closes below 716, that reverses the bullish momentum signal. Also watch Nvidia, there's a put sweep at 200.51, 10.3 times ratio. That adds a bearish undercurrent to semiconductors even as AMD prints bull flow. If Nvidia breaks 188, the whole sector cools. Position sizing recommendation: these are high conviction setups, but June's last trading day can produce whipsaws. Keep position sizes at half your normal allocation until July open confirms the flow direction. This is not financial advice. Do your own research and trade what you see, not what you hear. Trade School AI.